Exclusive. This Riverside bolt hole is ranked top of Rightmove's Happy at Home Index for very good reasons. Speak to anyone in Woodbridge, and they will tell you they are pretty happy with life. In an ever-changing world, the Suffolk town just north of Ipswich has retained its quintessential British charm. So much so that some locals affectionately describe it as how England used to be. With a stunning riverside location and plenty of chances for sailing, many have moved here to spend time on the water, as well as enjoy its vibrant town center stuffed full of about 80 independent shops. It's no wonder the famous boat building site was top of Rightmove's most recent Happy at Home Index. But what's really got residents and visitors smiling is not just a slower pace of life, but a community spirit few other places can match. Read more. The happiest place in Britain is bustling riverside town with woodland. Kirk Weir, 80, who moved to Woodbridge from London about 40 years ago, says, "It has that old village-style community feel, which you can't get in London. There's much more civic awareness and positiveness." In awarding Woodbridge the title of happiest place to live, Rightmove says residents scored it particularly highly for the community spirit and friendliness of the people and access to essential services such as doctors or schools. Mr. Weir adds that it is a great place to raise a family. There are good schools. It's so much more positive for children, he says. When our children were teenagers, you didn't need to worry about them. It's remarkably crime-free. It's surprisingly close to London. It's also a local destination. People come here on a Saturday because it's pretty. It's got diverse shops and it's got lovely walks. People come here to have a walk and a coffee and do a bit of shopping.